Hey AnimeCrafters, welcome to my channel. If you like anime and you like crafts, this is a channel for you. So today we're going to be making anime inspired school supplies. I made each a different anime, so I really hope you like this video. So first what we're going to start out is making a fairy tale notebook. So if you look here, I'm going to be putting a fairy tale logo on a glittery red cardstock, and I use a pre-printed out symbol to cut out a logo for that notebook. Then we're going to make it a kind of a glittery ombre styled notebook, so I really hope you like this craft. Okay, so we're going to cut this symbol out. First I tape the loose ends so that I can cut around it. Then I cut it out roughly first, and then I'll go through the details with my little scissors afterwards. Once we got that done, then we're going to spray paint this blue cardstock paper. Do it lightly in many coats over a few times. Then I'm going to measure this out to see what the size of the notebook is, and then cut around. This got a little wrinkled, but that's the only blue paper I had, so I just kept with it. Then we'll Modpodge it onto the notebook. I do kind of a lighter coat of Modpodge all around. Then we'll Modpodge our fairy tale symbol to the notebook. Don't worry about there being a little excess, it dries clear. So for our next craft, I'm going to be using a specific type of holographic type paper that I got from Michaels, and I used the same technique that I did for the fairy tale. I used this gold glittery paper and I cut out this UA symbol, and I'm using a kind of a blue sea version of holographic, and we're going to make this into a binder. So here's our binder, and here is our holographic stationery that I got from Michaels. Then we're going to cut it with an X-Acto knife. You can use scissors, I just like using an X-Acto knife because it's faster. And then we're going to cut it a little shorter so that it fits into that pocket. Then we'll put in the pocket and make sure that it fits. After we do that, we'll get our little UA symbol and Modpodge it on. Make sure you let this dry before trying it inside the pocket. Then we'll just put it in, and it looks nice. So, last but not least, we're going to be making the Naruto inspired pencil pouch. I got a blue pencil pouch, and then I am going to spray paint it this titanium silver very lightly, and then I'm going to use this iron-on vinyl that you can get at Michaels in the Cricut section, and then I printed out a version of the Konoha symbol, the Leaf Village, and I did my same technique, tape it and then cut it out, and then I iron it onto my pencil pouch. So we're going to lightly spray paint on both sides with the metallic silver spray paint. I then put a cardboard inside of the pocket just as a precaution. Then I'm going to iron over with a piece of fabric in between. I tried to take the plastic off too soon and it kind of wrinkled, so I had to take my iron directly onto the plastic just to get that last part on. But then it came off easily after that, so no harm, no foul. And then that was a really easy craft, and you have a cool looking pencil pouch. I hope you enjoyed watching this craft video. I had so much fun making it, and I love reading the comments that you leave, whether you like it or if you'd like me to do a different anime. I'm really open to any suggestions. If you want a closer look to these, there's the pencil pouch, this is the Fairy Tale Ombre notebook, and then our holographic UA binder. I also added like a little the extra excess over there. If you like these types of videos and you're not subscribed to my channel, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I'm planning on doing another live stream so that I can talk to my subscribers. It's probably going to be the last Friday of this month, so I'll start setting that up, and I really hope that I can talk to some of the new subscribers and some of my old subscribers, and we can like pass ideas, and maybe I can do another notebook while we're live streaming. So thanks again so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.
AnimeCrafty.